Here's how to apply to York University.
First, there are general admission requirements that every applicant needs in order to be eligible to submit an application to York University.
Number 1. Completion of a high school diploma or equivalent. Number 2. Top 6 high school U or M courses, including English for You. If you're not an Ontario high school student, find admission requirements according to your school system on our website. Number 3. Meeting minimum English language proficiency requirements.
Then there are program-specific requirements. These are specific criteria set by the program you apply to.
You can explore this by visiting futurestudents.yorku.ca. You then go to your application, then admission requirements. Make sure to filter by the cohort you're part of to see what requirements apply to you and how you can pick high school classes geared towards your program. Understanding prerequisites is important.
So plan early. It's helpful to review your high school courses and make sure they align with your prerequisites. This way, you aren't caught by surprise when it's time to apply. When you're ready to apply, submit your application via the Ontario University Application Centre. If you're only applying to one program as a transfer, mature, or an international applicant, you may also use the York University application. After you apply, there are a couple of things for you to keep an eye out for, like supplementary applications. These are additional requirements for certain programs, like an audition, a portfolio review, or a video interview. And MyFile, York University's application management portal. Use your student number to log in and track your application through this.
Oh, and remember to keep track of your deadlines.
We hope this guide helps you on your journey to finding the right program at York University. Good luck, and we can't wait to welcome you.